We're here in Midtown in Petaluma and just wanted to give an overview of a project we completed this past spring. So this is on a family compound in Midtown. So kind of an interesting piece of property here, but the backyard has a real nice courtyard feel. And so what we tried to do is there was an old lawn and an old flagstone patio that had kind of been showing their age. And so we came in and redeveloped this with a few different pieces. The first was a new large format Calstone paver patio here. So that kind of forms the main kind of dining space, and they're going to get a new table to kind of frame this area. And then off of the patio area, we can see this new stone seat wall and stone stairs that lead up to the back porches here. So, and that's a natural panelized stone with bluestone cap, and then bluestone on the treads of the steps there as well. And then decomposed granite for our pathways to tie in to our different areas. As we come around here, we see a new secondary seating area and pavilion. So this is a Yardistry pavilion that was installed and really gave a nice kind of frame and really makes this feel kind of like an outdoor room here. In between the main patio and the pavilion area, we've got some corten steel planter boxes, and then we tied that together with decomposed granite and some bluestone stepping stones. Off to the side, we've got a no-mow turf, so this is designed to be left a little bit more meadowy. It's a blend of some different fescues, and we made this a low water use installation by using subsurface strip irrigation for this turf here. And then as we walk over this side, we'll take a look. So we've got a connecting paver walkway on these Calstone pavers that connect us through, and then some landscape lighting by FX Luminaire along the pathway. And then a nice little basalt pillar as a little accent there. And we can see that catmint that's really grown in around that fountain there. And we get a view of the pavilion here in the back. So they've got a nice little conversation set up with an outdoor couch and fire pit there. And then we'll get the reverse view looking back. So this home was a newer construction, but the nice thing about it was definitely has some of those Victorian lines that work well in the neighborhood that you see around houses here in Petaluma. And they've actually got an office space that is this old kind of barn garage here. So that kind of ties in and gives us a nice courtyard feel here. So that's an overview of this install here in Petaluma.